tutorials on YouTube. So this is my very first behind the scenes, and today I'm going to be shooting with my Canon 6D camera, and I'm going to be using an 85mm lens plus a Godox X1T 2.4 trigger. And for my lighting setup, I'm going to be using a Godox AD600 BM in this nice 120cm softbox. So we are at this very shoot until around midday right here in Uganda, and our model for today is Lillian, and this shoot is just an impromptu and we did not plan for it. So here we are right now. So this is what we're going to be doing. So I'm going to be using this very background. I'm going to be using this as my background right there. So I hope you guys can see this is the city of Hoima. So this is what we're going to be using. So let me get back to the frame. Let me just get, so this is Hoima city. Abraham, I need more emphasis right here. So this is all we are going to be doing for today's behind the scenes. So basically, let's get our model turning this side without the phone, please. Oh, maybe you forgot to say hi to the people.
Hi, I'm Lillian.
You're what?
I'm Lillian.
Okay, we're just going to get back into a shooting process for this very behind the scenes. So I'm going to be using this as the background. So I'll get you to stand like around here. Yeah, right there. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to place my softbox right here to slightly cover the sun from hitting our model. Just going to raise it up. So the way my light is placed, it is placed Abraham for now wide shots. Don't move from the side. So the way the light is placed, it is right this side or the right hand side of the model or my left hand side, because that gets more space to shoot the model right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start taking these images. So since I'm shooting at midday, I'm going to be setting my ISO to around 100 because it is too bright right here. And I'm just going to first use an aperture of around f1.8, and I'm going to be shooting at high speed sync. I'm going to turn off my trigger, and after turning it off, I'm just going to start shooting for the available light. So I'm going to take the first test shot. So let me first take the test shot. And this really looks overexposed, so I'm just going to turn up my shutter speed a little bit more and take and see my available light. So this is my available light right here. So I think I'm just going to take it over about around 30,000. So it is still too bright. I think this looks okay, so I'm just going to start taking photos for this shoot. So our model should start pausing for, okay, let's start taking. So I think you're going to use the other side. Okay, like that. So she should start pausing. I love this. Nice. Let me get this hand on the waist. Yeah, like that. Good. So let me first take like half shots for you. Okay, this side, Lillian. Okay, let's start shooting. I think I no longer need this.